Hello, Order Now viewers. Today, we've got something special to dive into the iPad mini 6th generation. It's small, but it's mighty. In this video, we'll explore the incredible features and upgrades that make this compact tablet a powerhouse in its own right. First off, let's talk about design. The iPad mini 6th gen boasts a sleek, modern look with its all-screen design. It's incredibly portable, fitting comfortably in one hand, making it perfect for on-the-go use, and that 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display, it's a stunner. With True Tone and P3 wide color, your content comes to life with vibrant, accurate colors. Pink, purple, space gray, starlight. Performance. It's powered by the A15 Bionic chip, the same chip you'll find in the iPhone 13. This means blazing fast performance whether you're editing photos, playing games, or multitasking between apps. But wait, there's more. The iPad mini 6th gen now supports the 2nd generation Apple Pencil with this precise tool. You can jot down notes, sketch, and annotate documents with ease. It's like having a virtual notebook right at your fingertips. Another convenient feature is the Touch ID fingerprint sensor. Cleverly integrated into the top button, it's fast, secure, and unlocks your device or authorizes payments in an instant. Now, let's talk about the camera. The iPad mini 6th gen has a 12MP rear camera with focus pixels. It's perfect for capturing detailed photos and shooting 4K videos. And with center stage, it keeps you in the frame during video calls, adjusting the view as you move around. Software. Of course, it runs on iPadOS, giving you access to a wide range of apps designed to make the most of this tablet. Multitasking is a breeze with slide over and split view, and the app library keeps your home screen organized. The neural engine for powerful machine learning applications also takes a big leap forward on the new Mini, increasing performance by up to 2 times over the previous generation. The new Translate app in iPadOS 15, which can automatically translate a conversation in real time, connectivity-wise. You have the option for Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Plus cellular models, and with 5G capability, you'll experience lightning-fast download and streaming speeds no matter where you are. Download speeds can be up to 3.5 gigabits per second. This key when you need to stay connected on the go, like when technicians use Splunk or on-site to access real-time data, performance analytics, and complex schematics. iPad mini now has Usbc port, so you get the same great Usbc functionality that brought to iPad Air, which means it is up to 10 times faster than its predecessor. So iPad mini can now connect to vast ecosystem of Usbc. Whether you're a photographer who needs to connect to cameras when shooting on location, or a doctor in a remote area using Butterfly to conduct an ultrasound. Accessories. Enhance your iPad mini experience with a variety of accessories, from the smart folio covers to Bluetooth keyboards. There are plenty of options to personalize your device. As for battery life, you can expect up to 10 hours of web browsing or video playback, which is perfect for a full day of productivity or entertainment on the go. So, there you have it, folks, the iPad mini 6th generation. It may be small in size, but it's big on features and performance, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves tech. This compact tablet offers a world of possibilities. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.